Dear partners, we are here in Hong Kong in a real shopping center, and we start with our new product, vending machine, everywhere in Asia, in Hong Kong, in China. We go to Japan, we go to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, we go to Philippines. Everywhere will be such machine. Let's see how it works. Look, we have here two guys. They are our partners already. They came specially to take a look how it works, and everybody was excited about it. And look what's happened. They took the ice and now they scan QR code and they buying with PlatinCoin and the ice coming out. And everybody in Hong Kong can use now our vending machine. Look, the product is out and for your question, where we can use PlatinCoin in very short time everywhere, and you can buy everything everywhere for PlatinCoin, from ice to real estate in each country. That's our duty, that's our vision. And Asia, we're coming to you. PlatinCoin, the time is now.
Now.
I want to have also a little bit small ice. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And it's done. That's the power of PlatinCoin. Everywhere in Asia we will put now vending machines, ATMs and a lot of more things, and our products that you can see. Everything is real. PlatinCoin is building real infrastructure. For next 10 years we are number one. Dear partners, we are in Hong Kong, in Disneyland. Why we are here? Because in Hong Kong we have 50 vending machines, and 5 of the vending machines are here in Disneyland. The vending machine will be our next product, which will bring PlatinCoin to absolutely explosion and of course to the new level of development. We make usage for cryptocurrency and we make history. PlatinCoin, the time is now.